Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of engine oil pan sump in Autodesk Inventor software. In this, we are going to construct this model by using the different Autodesk Inventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and select the top plane, the YZ plane. Rotate the view. Now here go to rectangle command and select the 2-point center rectangle. Select this center point. Now go to dimension. The width of this will be 300 mm and height of 125 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude, and here we will extrude it up to 100 mm. Okay, flip the direction, or you can keep this direction, the direction 1, and okay. Now select the top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here go to rectangle command. This time we will select the 2-point rectangle. Initially we have selected 2-point center rectangle. Now I will select 2-point rectangle. Select this corner edge and select this outer geometry. Now go to dimension. The width of this will be 180 mm. Okay. Now go to 3D model again. Extrude. So it will extrude upside, but we want to cut the profile. So from here we will select cut and take this dimension as 50 mm. Okay. And press OK. Now rotate this. So this is the base. Now we will use the draft command. So click on draft. Draft command is used to give a tapered profile or give an angle to a face. So select this face. This will be the stationary face, and select this face to draft. Now here we will take a angle of 20°. Go to front view. Now you can see this will be the draft angle of 20° and apply. Okay. Now rotate the profile once again and exit. Now we will take the draft command once again. Go to draft once again. Here change the angle to 10°. And here we will select fixed plane. Rotate the view. Select this base as the fixed plane and select the side face. Go to left view. As you can see, it is going outside. So flip here. So flip the direction. Rotate. Select this face. Select this front and select this back. Okay. By selecting the fixed face, we have selected the fixed plane. The draft will only be inside this geometry. Otherwise it will go outside the geometry if you apply the angle. Okay, and apply. Exit. Now we will provide the fillet command. So go to fillet, take radius here of 10 mm and select corner edges first. Select this corner, rotate and select this corner. Select this also, these two, and apply. Now select this top geometry, this geometry and this geometry. Okay, this also radius of 10 mm and apply. Now exit. Now we have given the radius, so rotate the profile. Now we work on this face. So here go to the shell command to make the profile hollow. Take here a shell thickness of 10 mm and take here outside shell and click this profile. Okay, and apply. So this will be shell outside. So this thickness is extra which we have gained here. Now we will make this whole profiles and this cut profile. So for this cut profile, select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now here, go to the circle command, make a circle profile here of dia 15 mm and make one circle here of dia 15 mm. Go to dimension. From this center point, this vertical height will be of, we'll take it as 64 mm and the horizontal height or the horizontal distance will be of 152. Okay, this will be not 152, this will be 120. Now here this distance will be from center point, this distance will be 152 mm and from here the vertical height will be 30 mm. Okay, escape. Now go to the rectangular pattern, or first we will provide the geometry for rectangular pattern. Go to project geometry, select this edge and select this edge, escape. Now go to rectangular pattern, select this circle, go to direction 1 and select this line, flip the direction and here take a count of 4 and the center to center distance will be of 75 mm. Okay, and press OK. Move this. Okay, now select these yellow lines, the projected lines, make them construction geometry. Now go to mirror command, select all the circular profiles, go to mirror line. Okay, we have not made any mirror line, so go to line command. From this center point, make one mirror line this side and escape. Mirror line is always the center line. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. This is only for reference. Go to mirror line, select all the circular profiles, this circle also. Go to mirror line and select this line. Apply and done. Okay, same geometries are being made here. Go to finish sketch, go to extrude command. Here select all the profiles by making a window, flip the direction. As you can see, it is cutting the profile. So from here we will go to join and here we will take 2 next. If you don't take 2 next, so it will come outside the profile. So by 2 next, this profile will be made inside only with U shape and OK. Rotate the profile. Now as you can see, a flange profile has been made here. So to make this flange profile, we'll go to shell command once again. And this time we will take a shell of 2 mm thickness and select this top profile. Okay, so it will shell up to 2 mm and OK. So by doing this, this profile will be made here. Okay, rotate the view. So this will be the profile here now. Now go back to this model. Now we will construct these mounting holes. So for mounting holes, select this face once again. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. Similarly, make circle from the center point of dia 8 mm. Here also dia 8, or you can make a rectangular pattern here also. Make this circle of with the center point of dia 8 mm. Escape. Now go to the we will take line command, make a mirror line, escape, select this line, make it reference, and here go to project geometry and select this line, escape, select this also, make it construction, this and this also, we will make them construction. Okay, so only the solid lines will be the sketches which we have made. Now go to the rectangular pattern, select this circle, go to direction 1, select this edge, flip the direction, a count of 4, and here take a count of a distance of 75 mm, the center to center distance, and okay. Okay, now go to mirror, mirror all the profiles, mirror line, and select this line, apply, and done. Okay, now go to 3D model, extrude, select all the profiles, go to cut, and this time we will cut, we will take here also to next, so it will cut up to next, only the flange profile will be cut, and okay. Now rotate the view. Now you can see here only till flange profile it is cut. Okay, now next we will give the radius over these edges. So here go to fillet, take here a radius of 2.5 mm. Okay, go to edge selection, zoom out, select this edge, this all, rotate the view, and similarly select this edge, select the hair, this and this, and select this also, this side also, and this outer. Okay, now select here for view and apply. Only we will apply fillet to half of the profiles. Now go to mirror command, go to fillet 3, the feature to mirror, go to mirror plane, from origin we will select the middle plane, which will be the XY plane. So the mirror fillet command will be applied here also, and okay. Okay, now we will make a drain hole at bottom. For drain hole, rotate the profile, select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to circle command, make here a circle of dia 14 mm, go to dimension, from this radius edge this distance will be 15 mm, and from here also this will be 15 mm. Okay, and escape. Go to 3D model, extrude, select this circle, give this a height of 3 mm, and okay. Okay, now go to fillet command, take here a radius of 1.5 mm, go to edge selection, this top edge and this bottom edge, and apply. Okay, exit. Now to make a whole profile here, select this top face, go to create sketch, take this circle command, from this center point make a circle of dia 8 mm, go to 3D model, extrude, and extrude this inner circle to cut, and take here a distance of 20 mm. Okay, and okay. So this will be the cut profile. From here also you can see a through cut. Okay, now place it in this view. From here, okay, from here you can assign it a color or the appearance. I'll give it a aluminum polished, so it is a basic color. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a angel oil sump in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.